There are some times when we got long articles or long paragraph that we need to understand what the concept is. Like we don't need to know every detail from that article, but we just need an idea what that article is about. So there is an easy way to summarize everything. This is a script of one of my own video entitled, and I'm gonna use AI to summarize the whole thing. So I'm gonna just copy the whole text. We're gonna go to Google and search Claude AI. Yes, Claude AI. We're gonna ask Claude AI that I am going to give you a script. Give me a short summary version of it. And then I'm gonna paste the whole text into. And here it will give me all the points, all the topics in short form that is included in the whole script, like agriculture, urban planning, fashion, everything is written on this script. But I don't have whole time to understand what the script is all about. So I can just read it from here. That's easy. And you can literally do it for everything. I did it for script. You can do it for your paragraph, your essay, your presentation, anything you want. Do the same project.